Hi, I'm Mahesh from Mad in Life. Make a difference in life. In this video, you will master alphabet number relation. This is the most common question that is seen in GATE examination. What you will see is you will learn the alphabet position and their number. There are 26 alphabets and corresponding 26 numbers. So, within a click of a second, you will learn that U is at a position 21, G at 7, and in the same way other alphabets and their corresponding positions. I will give you some tips and tricks which will make your way easy to learn those. Let's get started. So first, I would like to bring your attention to the alphabets that you need to memorize. There are no tricks for that, just you need to memorize that. Let's see one by one. At first position, that is A, simply A 1, B 2, C 3. So that is on the front end side 4 alphabets that you need to learn. D is at the 4, and in the middle you need to memorize that O is at 15. Okay, and on the end side Y 25 and Z 26. So these are the letters that you need to memorize. These are pretty easy to memorize. 4 letters on the front end side, 2 letters on the back end side, and in the middle only one letter O 15. In any word you see letter O, it's at 15. Love, LOVE, 15. Okay, school, OOL, 15. Just you need to memorize your way. This is easy. Okay, now let us see the other alphabets one by one. Okay, so here I have highlighted O. You need to memorize that O 15. Repeat it with me, O 15. Now you can see here the letter E. Now take a look at this bar and just look at it. What's that? That's 5. Let again. It is the letter E, and that bar slides to the right hand side and it is 5. So letter E is at 5. You try to memorize, do not try to memorize, try to visualize the letter E and slide that bar, and it is pretty easy. The mind works with the visuals very well, and it would be very easy to you. Just try it once, try to visualize E and slide the bar in your head, and you will see that it's 5, and it's pretty easy. E at 5. In the same way, for the rest of the alphabets, we will see various kinds of animations that you can visualize, and instantly you can tell at which position which alphabet is there. Now F, just block it from the bottom side. How you will block? Bring some blocks of the same size and block it from the bottom. So F comes at 6th position. Okay, next letter is G. So now G, you can see the blinking side. Just extend that, try and extend that and make a cross mark at the bottom. What you see, the bottom mark is like a 7. If you extend it and cross mark like this, so G at 7. Visualize this, it is easy, right? So that is 7. Next is H. Now you see it is open, let's block it. So we have blocked that from top and bottom, simply blocked. What's that? That is 8. So H is at 8. Now for the letter 9, try to visualize the cursive letter I, capital cursive letter small I. How it looks? It looks like it's 9. So that is 9. The letter I is at 9. Now next is J. Now here you can see the upper, it is in different color. So let's see what's forward. Oh great, that's blinking. It has grown up. Now, oh, that is 10. That is 10. So J is at 10. I hope you can visualize this. It's easy. J 10. It has come down from here. Okay, so J is at 10. Next, K. Now K, now bring your focus here and see. Oh, that is 11. So K is at a position 11. Now we are coming at the middle side, and in the middle side what we need to do is just bring this extra 1 here in the coming letters we need to do. So here we come to our next letter, L. Take a look at this bottom side of the L. Okay. Now just slide it at the right hand side, bring it upwards and add this. What's that? That's 2. And I told you in the middle side you will bring a log. Okay. That means it is at the 12 and here comes the log. So letter L, slide the bottom side, bring it up, it's 1 1 2, so that's 12. L is at 12. Try to visualize this and you will find it very easy. Now that is the letter M. We will try and rotate this clockwise. Okay, try in your head, rotate that clockwise. What you see? That is 3. And I told you the log will come. This is at the middle end, so 1. So it is in the 13. M is at the 13th position. Now next, N. N, look at this position, right? Grab it up, slide it on the right hand side and block from the both the ends. What's that? That's in Roman 4. And here comes our log. That means N is at number 14, right? N, we just grabbed the rest of the part, took it on the right hand side, blocked it. We see a Roman number 4 and we know it is at the middle 14. I hope you are getting. P, that is a letter P. Now try and make a mirror image vertically upside down. Okay, this is the mirror image. How it is looking? It is 6. So that is 16. So P is at 16. Position. Let us move ahead. That is our Q. Now Q, look at the blinking part. Okay. Now extend that and cross it up. Extend and cross. We have seen similar kind of thing in what? In G. That was at 7. And this is at 17 because this is in the middle side, of course. So blinking part, extend, cross mark. So Q is at 17. Okay. R, we see here that it is open. Let us close that. That is closed up. What you see? That is 8. And since it is on the middle side, it is 18. Okay. Next, S. Now I see from the right hand side I want to block. So I just blocked it. Quickly I blocked it. Dropped the log down. And what I see is, this is 9. Right? This is 9. So S is at a position 19. Okay. Next, T. This is the one of the easiest one. T, 2020. Simply 2020 T20 match, a cricket. So T is at 20 position. Okay. Next, U. This is very interesting. Please focus. This is very interesting. U. Now how you can do this? Visualize letter U in Hindi. Okay. In Hindi. That is in Hindi. Okay. Yeah. And now just look ahead. This is 2. This is 1. Oh, that is 21. So U is at a position 21. Simply. So just make it in Hindi, and on the right hand side you can automatically now visualize it. That is automatic process. The mind automatically captures the visuals very well. So it is 21. U 21. V, make a mirror image on the right hand side, or you can also imagine a person having a victory position like this. So that is what? That is 22. that is V is simply position 22. Next we have a letter W. Rotate anti-clockwise. So we are rotating anti-clockwise, and now it is on the super higher side. If you rotate that clockwise, you will get no significant number. It will be like this. What's that? That's nothing. And this is 3. This is 3 super higher side. It is simply 23. So W is at 23. Okay. Next we have X. Now there are these sides, you see. Just count that. There is 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sides are there. So that is 24. Super higher side 24. And the rest of the alphabets you have learned 25 and 26. Okay. Now this is very important that you know the position of alphabet at an instant. Why so? That will save your time in exam, and eventually you will be very comfortable with these kinds of questions, and these are very much frequently occurring, and in the most times it comes for 2 marks also. So if you are very good at it, it will be for you. Okay. Now let us recall what we have learnt. So these are the 4 letters, the first 4 at position 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, that was E, F, G, H. Can you imagine what was at E? I told you, bring this log forward side. What's that? That's 5. F, block from the bottom. G, extend and cross. H, block from upside down. I, small letter I. J, the dot here, falling. I hope you are getting it. Dot, falling. So that's simply the numbers that you can do. Next for KLMN, this from this side it will be moved, rotated like this. This 2 will be rotated, so that will be at 11. And L, I told you, focus on the bottom side, add up, that will give you 2. Bring the log down because it is in the middle position, so that will be at 12. M, rotate clockwise, 13. N, this from this point you will bring the group whole to the right hand side, block, you see a Roman 4, 14. So these are the numbers. Okay. In the middle, that was a memorized letter. O, 15. School, OOL, 14. Love, LOVE. LOO, what's that? 15. PQRS, vertical. Visualize this vertically. What's that? That's 6. 16. Extend, cross it up. 17. 18, block from the bottom. That's 18. R. And for S, block it from the right hand side and bring the log down. That will be 19. Next letter T. T20 is very easy. T20, automatic. U is beautiful. U. In Hindi, it's U. Now you can simply see 21 in front of your eyes. 21. V, victory position. 22. And W, rotate anti-clockwise. It's 23, super higher side. X, there are 4 angles there. 4 angles. 24, simply 24. So these are the numbers. And the rest of the 2 letters, Y, Z, is 25 and 26. Now these are the highlighted letters that you need to memorize, and what you actually need to do is any word, anything that comes, you must be very at a click, you must be saying, like my channel name is Mad in Life. Okay, so M, it is at 13, A 1, D 4, I 9, N 14, L 12, I 9, F 6, E 5. So directly you must be able to say at which position the letter sits. Okay, let us see a few questions on this topic that have appeared previously in the GATE exam. So now these are the problems for aptitude alphabet number relation. What I told you, problems. Now the number equivalent is 16, 18, 15, 2, 12, 5, 13 and 19. Okay, practice yourself. You can practice with your name also. Okay, GATE exam 7, 1, 25. Okay, Now let us see the first problem. This problem is appeared in Civil Engineering, session number 1, 2020. It is saying if 0, 1, 2 are coded as OPQ, VWX, then 45 will be coded as what? Now I know the number O is at 15, 16, 17, 15, O15, so plus 15, 16, 1, plus 15, 17, 2, plus 15, so this is checked, plus 15, X, oh that is 24, how 24? 4 sides were there, 24, O, I made you learn, that is 15, Q, extend it, 17, P, vertically, 16, okay. So X, that is at 24 and it is 9. Now difference is again 15. This is at 23 and it is 8. 15, again the difference is 15. V is 22, 7. So difference is 15 altogether. So it is 14, difference is 15, add 15, 4, 15, 19. At 19 sits S. 5, 15, 20, ST. So the correct option will be B part. So the answer for this is B, S, T. Let us look at next question. It has appeared in GATE EE 2018. What is it saying? It is saying in a certain code AMCF is written as EQGJ and NKUF is written as ROYJ. How will some kind of 4 letters be written in that code? 4 options are given. Now in such kind of problems, because this problem will appear with rest of the problem, so any kind of word problem, first try to take note of these numbers, okay. 1, 13, 2 and 6, okay. Now 1 and this is what? This is 5. So what I can say is increment of 4, that is 13, it is 17, increment of 4, 3, 7, increment of 4. So pattern is pretty clear, increment of 4, you can solve that orally also. 6, 10, 4 increment, so simply 4 increment, D, 4 increment, 8, H, only one option match, C is correct. In exam you will do like this, but when you are practicing, check the other letters also. N, it is at 14, it is 18, increment of 4, K, 11, O, 15, increment of 4, rest of the letters you can see yourself, okay. So D, H, L, P, so all letters incremented to 4. So what will be correct option? That will be C is the correct answer, HLPT. So this is all from this video, alphabet relation. I will see you in the next video with a new concept. Thank you.